Here I am.
All right, well, get on in the front. Get on in the front, sexy afro. Get on in the front, man.
Another beautiful day to continue the walking tour of New York City. We start off on the Staten Island Ferry, hit Lower Manhattan, where we're going to get a boat to the Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island. Check out the Reggae Festival in Bowling Green and some street performances in Battery Park. Of course, you got to get the selfie with Mr. Verrazano on the way too. What's wrong with this picture?
There's no lines anywhere. With COVID, no tourists. So VFC is getting all the tourist stuff done. Yeah. No life like the good life.
You gotta love it when I answer my own question. Don't be confused about that sign that says to New York, because you're in New York, you're going to Liberty Island. That's for when you get back on the boat after Liberty and Ellis, because one boat goes to Jersey, where you don't want to go, and the other goes to New York. You want to be on that one. Enjoy the ride on the Liberty Island Ferry. You get some great views. Not as great as you get on the Staten Island Ferry, I'll say, but still some money views. And you can buy wine on the ferry too. You gotta love the diversity on Liberty Island too, with the people and with the birds. But the Statue of Liberty is one of the first things that the immigrants coming to Ellis Island years ago would see. So it's actually kind of perfect to go to the island today and still see that diversity of tourists here to appreciate the freedom that America has to offer. If you go in the museum, you're going to get a history of the statue, how it was built. You get a look at Lady Liberty's toe jam, and you got the tourist guides there giving you all the history and the facts. Walk around, there's plenty angles for selfies, take in the views of the city, and then get on that boat over to Ellis Island. Now this place is pretty amazing, not just for the role it played in the opening scenes of The Godfather when Don Corleone comes over, but this place processed about 12 million immigrants from 1892 to 1924, including VFC's grandmother and a bunch of other ancestors. Now if you walk around outside, you'll see there's a bunch of ducks enjoying the great views of the city, but there's also the Wall of Honor. When they refurbished Ellis Island, I think it was in the 80s, you could pay and then donate to have your family's name remembered forever on the island. So now we're gonna go have some fun in Manhattan.
So VFC is getting a cartoon face drawn. Yeah. Wonder how big this nose is gonna be.
He was actually pretty polite with the nose, but another thing I noticed is all that hair. So I had to go take care of that immediately.
Yeah, VFC haircut time.
And right there in Battery Park, there's another statue dedicated to all the great immigrants in the history of the United States and their accomplishments that helped make this country great. Now we're gonna check out the High Flyers at Battery Park. These guys put on a pretty funny show as they're leading into their grand finale when they flip over all these people lined up from the crowd.
Yes, rich people in first class. Come on to the front. All right. And where you from again? Orlando, Florida? Come on, Orlando, Florida. Show me some. Yeah, we got cash out. All right, well, get on in the front. Get on in the front, sexy afro. Get on in the front, man. And where you from again? Bangladesh? Come on, Bangladesh. Wait, hold up. Is this your son? Now, you didn't want to save your cousin, or you're going to save your son at least. Oh, so they both going to die together? Oh, man. Back up, you guys are going to die together, man. You guys are going to die together. And where you from again? Minnesota. Where's your family?
Right there.
Huh?
And right here.
No. See, he paid for his safety. This is your son. Oh, you can take. Are you sure you can take it?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Back on up.
All right. We're going to start with you. Come on, follow me. Touch those toes. Everyone touch those toes.
Or backwards.
Forward, backwards.
Forward, say yeah.
Everyone take your cameras out. Put this on TikTok, Snapchat, Insta Snap, all that. All right, he's coming right now. Joe move. Make some noise. Yeah. It's never too late to donate. Thank you.
So much going on in the city today. There was a little reggae festival at Bowling Green too, outside the Native American
motivation
Museum.
to leave the plantation. A motivation. Rob, bring Rob over here. Rob, come here, Rob.
On my way to the ferry, I got to experience a little bit of a silent protest also against the immigration policy in the USA. And then the ferry ride back to Staten Island. Ah, yeah.